Hi, welcome at Apex Biology, and before we continue with this series of questions, hit that subscribe button. Now let's go to the question. It says, explain accommodation of the eye. Explain accommodation of the eye. Now this is not the accommodation of looking for a place to live. This is accommodation of the eye. What do we mean? Accommodation makes things work comfortably. So for simplicity, let's explain the term accommodation. Accommodation of the eye is ability of eye to focus, all right, ability of eye to focus far and near objects, clearly on the retina. That is the meaning of the word accommodation. You can now add focal length of eye is adjusted. Take note of that. Focal length of the eye is adjusted. This is the meaning of the word accommodation. Now, how do we focus far and near objects clearly? So let's explain the process. First, to focus far objects, we're going to explain it. We're going to look at to focus near objects. We're going to explain it, right? When we want to focus far objects, what usually happens is that the ciliary muscles relaxes. That's what happens here. When you want to focus far objects, the ciliary muscles opposite here contracts. This is what happens. Take note of that so that we understand. Now to focus far object again, another thing that happens is that the suspensory ligaments, all right, suspensory ligaments stretches, or we use the word tauts, T-A-U-T-A. It stretches or tauts, can pull, that's what I mean. Stretches or tauts, or even pulls, right? It pulls. And when it pulls, that is what happens during when the eye is focusing far object. Well, here we see that suspensory ligament, right? Ligament relax. Doesn't pull at all. Here it stretches, here it relaxes. Now, when this happens, some unique thing comes up about the eye lens. You now come here, you now see eye lens becomes thinner, right? And that's why you see that when you are viewing out, it becomes thinner like this. This is what is called a thin eye lens. Why here? What happens to the eye lens? Eye lens becomes fatter or rounded, or curved. It becomes like, so you see it like this, it becomes more. So this is now our rounded or fatter eye lens. It's just the word and opposite. So this is what happens when you are focusing far objects. This is what happens when you are focusing near objects. Enjoy learning at Apex Biology. Have a great day.